How to fix Capcut no internet problem or Capcut internet connection problem on your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix Capcut no internet problem on your device. So if you're facing Capcut no internet connection problem, you can try following troubleshooting the steps. The step number 1 is you can always check for an update. And the step number 1 is you'll need to first of all make sure or ensure that the device is connected to internet service. Open a web browser or another application to confirm that your internet connection is working correctly. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also turn on your flight mode for 20 seconds. After that, you can disable it and that might be able to fix the issue. You can also close and reopen a Capcut application. So close the Capcut application completely and then reopen it. Sometimes this simple action can resolve connectivity issue. So what you need to do is, in order to close the Capcut application, you'll need to clear all your background application just like this, and that might be able to fix your issue. Apart from that, you can also check for an update. If you haven't updated the application for a while, that might be one of the reasons. Go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Capcut. Check whether you need to update the application or not. So this might be able to fix your issue as well. You can also go ahead and check your permissions. Sometimes you might have not enabled all of the permissions, so you need to check for the permission. In order to go and check for the permission, you need to long press on your Capcut and click on the app info icon. Once you're on this page, go to permission and make sure that you've enabled all of these. This might also be an effective way of overcoming from this situation. Despite of doing all of these procedure, if you're still unable to fix it, then what else you can do is you can directly get a contact of a customer support team and state about the issue and they'll look into your matter. So that is basically how you can fix your Capcut connection issue or internet connection issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.